Let's move to the next question. In this question, a student open his book and note down the unit digit of the right hand page. He repeats the process for 150 times. The outcomes are tabulated here. Based on this information, we have to say the probability of occurrence of 1 or 4 has the unit digits. Similarly, we have to find the probability that at least 5 has the unit digits. So let's work out the problem. In this experiment, student open his books 150 times. Here he is given that he repeats the process for 150 times. Therefore, the number of trails, that is the total number of outcomes, are 150. Now we have to take the probability that 1 or 4 has the unit digits. So we denote E is the event which represent 1 or 4 has a unit digit. Now number of favorable outcomes to have 1 has our unit digit is 25. In this event we have 4 also. So the number of favorable outcomes for 4 to have our unit digit is 10. Therefore, the sum of these two numbers, 25 and 10, gives the number of outcomes favorable to event E. And we already defined probability is the ratio of number of favorable cases to a particular event to the total number of outcomes. Here 35 are the favorable outcomes to event E and we have 150 as our outcomes. Here 5 is a common factor. On dividing with 5 we get 7 upon 30. This is the probability to have 1 or 4 has unit digit. Now we move for next question. Now we denote F is the event which represent that the unit digit has at least 5. According to it, we have to find the number of times the unit digit has occurred at least 5, and it is equal to sum of 4, 11, 20, 15 and 12, and the sum is 62. Therefore, according to the definition of probability that the occurrence of at least 5 has unit digit is the total number of favorable cases to event F, which is 62, to the total number of trails, that is 150. Here 2 is a common factor. Then we have the probability has 31 upon 75. This is the probability of occurrence of at least 5 has our unit digits.